Using GoCardless for managing payments is straightforward. Here's how to get started. Sign up for an account. Visit the GoCardless website and sign up for an account. Choose the plan that fits your business needs. Set up your business profile. After signing up, complete your business profile by entering your business details, bank information, and verifying your identity. Integrate with your system. GoCardless can be integrated with various platforms. Follow the integration steps provided for your specific platform to enable seamless payment processing. Create a payment plan. In your GoCardless dashboard, you can set up payment plans for your customers. Choose the frequency and amount. Request payments. Send a payment request to your customers via email or a link. They will need to provide their bank details, which GoCardless securely handles. Manage payments. Track all incoming payments in your GoCardless dashboard. You can view upcoming payments, payment statuses, and any failed transactions. Customer communication. Keep your customers informed about their payment schedules and any changes.